Welcome to my channel, Excel Fundamentals. This channel is created to share technical knowledge on M365 products and other technical products. The videos are not created to hurt any religion or organization. Please subscribe for more videos and help me grow in my profession. Thank you for watching my videos and your support. Let's start the video now. Welcome to my channel. Today, I'll train you on using the Autosum function in Excel. I caught my colleague doing like this to get the totals for each column and rows. Equal to sum of cell 1 to cell 4 and copy that formula towards right. Similarly, equal to sum of cell 1 to cell 4 for the rows, then copy that formula down to get the sum for other rows. I told him we have a better way to perform this exercise which will save your precious time. He asked me, can you suggest the method? I started telling him the process as follows. First, select the columns or data for which you are going to derive the sum. Then press Ctrl+G to get the Go to option. Press on the special option as shown. Then click on blanks from the options available. This will select all the empty cells where you need to apply the sum formula. Press Alt and equal to together and then press Enter button to get the totals for each column and rows. Hope this video will save some time for you during your busy working day. Thank you for watching my video. Please do not forget to subscribe and like my channel.